What's going on, guys? We are live. Could not go live in the morning. Oh, yesterday I went to a soccer game. That was a great game between Austria and Jordan. I was not expecting much, but it blew my mind. That was an excellent game. So, yep, that's what I did yesterday. And I ended up getting back to the hotel at 1 a.m. So that was very late when I got back to the hotel. And yeah, so I woke up a little late, did my regular trading, made some money on my take a profit trading account. And then I closed and I went back to the conference. I'm in San Francisco in a AI conference. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I did in the morning. And so now I'm back here. So so I made some money last night on my take a profit on my Topstep account. Um, did some quick trading yesterday before I went to the game. So I ended up making like 900 bucks per account. So I have 5 accounts. And yeah, I'm actually glad that today I traded really quick because I was looking at the market and looks like it was pretty intense, like there was a pop and drop, and by the end of the day we got some nice drop. So yeah, looks like the Fed was not what people were expecting. I mean, so the Fed reaction, like the new guy washed, he threw like a curveball. So yeah, if you look at the Nasdaq today, you can see here that on the left that we filled this gap. All right, we had a gap right here. Looks like we filled this gap. So yeah, they held the Fed like they held. No surprise there was like 12 people that voted and for the rate to stay at 3.5 to 375. That part was priced in, so there was like a kind of curveball. So 9 of 8 members now see a hike before year end. So six of them wants 2 hikes. That's not the cut the market was leaning on back in March, and the tape fell today. So you see here, let me put in a lower time frame here. You can see that little dump here that we got it. So that Wall Street did not like that. So that went lower. And after that, the first meeting of the WASH as a chairman, so he's coming in with inflation's running hot, over 4%. Energy is still elevated from the Iran situation, so oil price is still high. So what does that mean to us? When the Fed leans like that, so it's kind of Nasdaq does not like does not hold like higher for long. So I'm not predicting any move, but I'm watching like the reaction. Let's see, let's price confirm first before we get in. So let's see how it goes today. So so far we're like a little small downtrend. As you can see here, the 1 hour chart, that's the 200 moving average here. That's why it's held. See the 200 exactly there, like boom. That was the support that held. So yep. Let's see where we go for today. So see, you're gonna open like 7 minutes. So see if I can lock those things so people can participate. Only like people they are already like subscribers. So I gotta be a subscriber for at least like a minute or so you can comment. And let's make sure we got some likes. Can we get at least like can we get like 5 likes tonight? Let's see. Let's aim a little higher. Can we get, let's see, can we get 15 likes tonight? So, yes, easy. Let's see. Let's see here if we can get like the. Let me look at the levels here. Let me look what's happening here, you know. Let's look at the Nasdaq levels here for now. So, so we got hit on the downside. So we got hit here. Let's see. Let's see what we get. 5 minutes. Got a little bounce here on the 5 minutes. 3 minutes probably the same. See a little downtrend here formation. See where we go from here. So we opening very soon. So let's go. Let's rock and roll. Now open up in 5 minutes. I got my coffee. Have you got your coffee yet? Gotta get the coffee, boys. Or girls. Couple minutes to go. So what we have here? 3 minutes to go. Yeah, got a nice pullback from 500s to man. We got like a 510, 520s to 930. So 600 points. It's very nice. That's what we like to see as day traders. So let's go. Let's go. Let's check the news. I'm gonna share the news with you guys. So what's going on right now? See here the top headlines. Yeah, the top headline is pretty much Fed hike signal, oil failing on the Iran deal, retail sales are hot, chips bouncing back. So, so pretty much like what's moving today was like the big one is the Fed, right? They met today and they held rates steady, no change. That part was expected, but here's the the twist. They knew, and looks like the new thing is that looks like there will be hikes coming before the end of the week, before the end of the year. So, and the market does not like that. So, see, we got a minute to go. So, got 1 minute to go. Let's see. Let's see. See, like maybe one pop here, 200s and drop. That would be very nice. Pop and drop. Let's see. See if the 30,000 can hold. Those are important levels right there. So there we go. Popping a little. Yeah, we open a little higher from where we are earlier. So see if we pop 200s and drop, that would be beautiful. I'm leaning for the short side, but I'm gonna wait for confirmation, right? So I don't want to anticipate the move. Yeah, so far it's going lower. Let's see if we can go low. My indicator turning to a sell. Should be 30 points stop. That's the candle close first. Gonna wait for that candle to close, right? So let's see. Gonna wait a little bit. My indicator is saying sell. Let's wait a little, maybe all the way to 30ish. That'll be very nice. Just waiting for this candle to close. So for now, it's not doing much. It's moving very slow. Okay, the candle closed there. My indicator is bearish, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's add to the winner. And that'll be nice a pop to 20ish, so I could put like a bigger position there. Yeah, I'll put a bigger position, but I need to wait. Okay, that's kind of what I was expecting, but it's going too fast against me. So let's see if it's fail or if we're gonna go. But it's trying to push. So see if we can push lower again. Break the 100 level. 25. So looks like I might short a support if it doesn't go back down. Let's see. Let's see if we can break the lows again. That would be very nice. Yeah, I should have waited for 20ish. Yeah, like look at the volume. The volume is higher than the seller. So let's see here. If I can add a couple more. If I can add three more over there. Yeah, Jinaga field. See if we can keep dumping here. See if we can get 70s. Yeah, the buyers are trying to hold here. See those buyers? They're trying to hold it up. Can they hold? Let's see. They're trying to hold right here. Have some buyers there. See those buyers held right here again. Need to break that to go all the way to maybe 60s. That would be nice. Yeah. Buyers are holding for a little bit. Yeah. Looks like they are flipping. Yeah, I need to cut it. Yeah, that volume here told where the market was going. I think they might push all the way to 90s before the drop later. See if my indicator turn into a bullish. My indicator is still bearish, but the position is running too much against me. So yeah, I gotta cut it. Shit. Yeah, now my indicator turning bullish. Yeah, is that gonna hold? Or we're gonna go all the way to the moving average? I think we're gonna go all the way to moving average. Let's see. The next candle is gonna tell me the story. I think it's gonna go down now. Gonna improve my average now to get the hell out. So he improved my average. Now I need a dump or I'm in trouble. I have a huge position here. Uh, if it breaks here, I'm in trouble. I need a pullback. 10 points pullback. Let's see. Buyers are holding. See the volume here? Need some sellers to come in to save me or not? Nope. Yeah, I need. Yeah, my position's too big. It's not good. Not good. Yeah, it's going against me. Shit. Yeah. Fuck, man. Did not even get a pullback there. Think we're going all the way here. Think we're going all the way up that to the moving average. That's what I see. Yeah, no pullback. Need to cut it. Oh, big loss, yeah. Big loss. I think I went on tilt here. Ended up adding full size. Very bad trade. That was a horrible trade right there, guys. Phew, look at that. It's gonna go all the way back up here. Yeah, it's my fail here on the moving average. It's funny that I called that early, you know. Yeah, I should have got out here. Did not go out in time. Ended up getting a big loss. Big loss to start the day. And my DLL is 300 to hit. So let's see later if I can maybe have like one or two good trades. But for now, that's it. For now, that was a bad trade. Thinking that's the pullback that I was saying. Think we're gonna come now, but gotta wait a little, you know. See if we can get a pullback now. Yeah, looks like we're gonna keep going. Oh, my idea is to fail this moving average. Let's see if we fail the moving average. I'm actually going against the trend to tell you the truth. Yeah, I see the trend is going higher. Yeah, that's a counter trend right there. Yeah, I'm going against the trend. That was not good. Still might work though, but it's going against the trend. I don't like it. See if I get pain. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit my daily limit loss now. If we don't pull back now, that's it. Yeah, I think we hit. Yeah, we hit my daily limit loss. Fuck. That was tough. That was very tough, guys. That was tough. I went too crazy. That's what happened. It's usually happened to me after I have many winning days, you know? Like I had so many winning days. Look at that. That usually happen. That's kind of like losing control, you know? Yeah, gotta share it so you guys don't do the same, you know? So, see, negative 1,000 for the week now. So, So yeah, still positive overall, but yeah, had to control my position size, you know. Did not go small. If you don't go small, that's what happens. See, ended up giving back. Ended up giving back everything. Why? Because I did not go small. Simple, go small, man. Go small. If I kept just like my one contract and took my stop here, that wouldn't happen, you know. And later decide to go again against the trend. That's not good. Don't do it. Don't do it. So, yeah, it's winning too much. So you're winning too much, that happens if you don't control your size. Control your size. That's all. If you control your size, that doesn't happen. So let me flip to my yeah. Let's see the hit says large limit hit for the day. It's good. It saves me, you know, for to trade another day. You know, but it's very bad because I was doing so good. Like you see here, I was doing very good. Like one, two, three, four, five. And you can see here my losing days huge compared to my profit, you know, so pretty much took like 4 days. 4 days, you know, because I did not control size. Size is important, you know. Ended up going on tilt and adding like crazy. So like right here, you know, like right here, I was short and that was actually working to me. I was up, I think, just very little, like $50 to 100. Then I start adding like crazy here on this candle, and then it keeps going. And you can see here, the trend is higher. So there was just like a pullback here at the opening. So there was no reason for me to go crazy and start adding size, you know. So and that's what blows up most traders, you know. It's not like a bad setup, you know. It's a good setup with too much size, you know. So think about it so we don't make the same mistake. Here I was even wrong. Like sometimes I'm right, but with big size. Like for example, if we went back up here and went back down, yeah, that's good. But like the size should not be big. So so I was wrong on the setup and I was wrong on the size, you know. So the thing is that I was just thinking here how much I could make. I was not thinking like, oh, how much I can lose in this trade, you know. So that's pretty much the question that I we need to ask ourselves, you know. What if I'm wrong? What if I'm wrong on the trade? How much am I gonna lose? So yeah, I should have my stop right away. So and the funny thing is that I actually had a 1800 to get paid from them. Now it's kind of erased, you know, with a 3000 loss. So got protected. So now I'm gonna take a screenshot and put on Twitter because I've been putting every day my profits, you know. So if I'm putting my profits, I gotta put my loss too, you know. So it hurt, but that's part of the game. It's part of the game. Big losing day. Always the size. That's always the same issue, you know. Account is still alive. That's a good thing, right? You can see here the account is still alive, but now I have 1,500. So now I need to slow down so I don't go back and try to like get everything back, you know? Like how I got my second loss here, right here. See, right here, I thought I was going to fail on this moving average, right? Then I decided to go again. So if I waited a little, maybe yeah, because it's typical, you know, the market goes and try to retest the lows, but so now what it's doing is that building like a little flag here. See? So I think what the market is doing is like taking all the people that came with buyers, you know. Because I came with buyers and that's the bad part. Like my best days is that when I don't come with buyers, right? Like here I came with buyers. I even went against the trend. That is something that I don't do. I never do that. Like I avoid going against the trend. So I decided to go against the trend here just because I was biased. And when this candle closed, the other candle closed, I was like, okay, that's it. But what happened here? That was support. There was no even confirmation. I thought here was a confirmation, but when this candle held, it's pretty much told you like, hey, we are not going down, you know. So, and this guy right here, I even called that actually. It's funny that I called that out, right? Like he, see like the first seller, second seller, the third one was higher than both. I was like, oh, that's actually bullish, you know. But then I added to my position and added more here, because since like I could not see clearly, I could not accept my loss, you know. You cannot accept your loss, you cannot like think clearly. So I could not think clearly. I kept adding and adding and adding till the point that I looked. I'm like, oh man, I'm down like 2,700. So I ended up cutting 2,700. And later I tried to go again here just to lose extra 300 bucks. So that's what's happened. Yeah, on my take a profit today, I actually did very well in the morning. I ended up making like $1,000 per account. That was good. I have some money on my take a profit that I need to take out. I'm debating if I take some now. I might take like $1,000 today per account, or maybe even less, you know. Let me see here. Let me go there. Let me log in there and take a profit. So I might, since we're live here, might take that out of out of like to be like, hey, take some money, you know. So yeah, today I made 1,000, but take a profits have not closed. So here I can withdraw. That's plus $1,000, you know. So in the end, available to withdraw will be like 5,200. So, but of course, and that's five accounts, you know. So I'm not gonna go and take everything because you gotta build a buffer and take a profit. If you don't build a buffer, see like pretty much like 3,000, 4,000. So I made 1,000 today. Uh, yeah, I think I might take something just to I'll take maybe like 250 per account. Yeah. Gotta get paid a little, so just try to pretty much like make myself feel better a little, after this loss. And the funny thing is that last night I didn't sleep well because I went to the soccer game. Ended up getting back at the hotel at like 1 a.m. Woke up at like 6. So I had a headache. So yeah, I'm gonna take 250 per account. So then that goes like to amount I get 200, right? So I'll get 200, so it's like $1,000 in total. So yeah, I'll take that money, because that's actually what I should have done. I mean, we're in this business to make money, even though I want to build a buffer, I want to build a buffer, but we are in this business to make money. Like, so that one's ready. Let's see how many I did. Uh, that one second, third, three, four. Let's see, four. Yeah, I think I already took everything. So just gonna wait for them to approve this payout, and yeah. So yeah, I gotta take a little profit, because this loss here, look at that, it's still going. It's still going. I was even calling uptrend when that was right here. We're like, oh man, we're actually up uptrend. They decided to do the opposite. So gotta be careful, all the time you gotta always be careful. Big size is it's your biggest enemy. So your biggest enemy in trading, it's your size. It's yourself in the end, right? Like your biggest enemy, it's yourself. So yep. Let's see here. I had available actually. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's probably not available anymore. Yeah, I seen it's not available anymore. I had a 1800 per account that I could that I could take. But look at now. Now it's down, hit my DLL. So went back to zero. So that's good. It got saved. The end of the day, I got saved against myself. You know why? Because I would probably go back if that didn't hit this DOL. I should actually change to 2000, I think. So had 5 days and take a profit. Topstep asked for 5 days. So and we going high, 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 high in the sky. So see how high can we go? Yeah, now I'm only trading with the Topstep and take a profit. I was thinking about getting a Lucid account, but this time it's like too many prop firms. It's like I like to stay to two. I'm gonna stay with two for now. So yeah, but since my account is locked for 24 hours, so I'm only gonna be able to trade this account again on Friday. And the idea is pretty much to try to go small, make 100 to maybe $200, 150 because that's what the top step requires. Top step requires 150. So if I make 150, 200, I lock the account on Friday because it's like you cannot do that. You cannot. It's not sustainable as trading. It's not sustainable. Your loss should be bigger than your wins always. You cannot have one bad day. You gotta go small, man. You gotta go small. So, you riding this moving average. Yeah, right here I got so blindsided because you see, like it's on top of my moving average, and right here, just fighting the market. Two stupid moves. Trading is a job that's like it's kind of like elite performance. You gotta be 100% in your head because if you are not, you gotta go in, wake up, wake up, wake up, because the market doesn't care. So you gotta lose small to stay in the game. So the traders who survive are not the ones like who has big wins. They are the ones who never let one trade in their account to destroy everything. So smaller size, keep your head clean. That's what I always say. If you want your head to be clean, small size. So, and you gotta cut it. You gotta respect, you gotta respect the market. If the market's telling here down, you cut it. You don't add it. Yeah, could actually work. As you could see here, that one could become like a resistance. You see, like the candle here, that's the opening range, could become like a resistance and could go all the way back down. That could have worked. Here, see? If that become a resistance, and since I was adding like a crazy person, my average went back right here. So if we went like a pullback here, that would work. The problem is when it doesn't work, right? That's exactly what happened. 3,000 loss. So you cannot go crazy. You gotta slow down. So see, Lucid has a promotion. Let's see if they still have the promotion. I think I already used it. They had the promotion vault, right? But I think I already used it, the promotion. So that was like 50% off. Yeah, now you only get like 30% off. So not 50 anymore. Yeah. So let's see what's happening. Market is still up. Uh, let's see if we're gonna get in a range now. Let's see here. It's kind of like a flag, looks more like a flag, like a bull flag. You can see here, like a bull flag again. So yeah, my indicator is still saying bullish. So yeah, those losers accounts, because I like trading with the 150,000 dollars account, but they're expensive, man. They're like $300. Let's see the 50. Most people like the 50, right? See the 50. Maybe the 50, I think it's like $100. Yeah, $98. So yeah, nah, I get it. I'm gonna keep my two accounts. Whoever's getting in right now, what happened was, why you see this ugly number here? I went short here, right? I went short here. That went on my favor here. I did not take profit because I waited. I thought we were going to get a continuation. See, I saw this side here as a support. I was like, oh, okay, we broke support. We're going to continue. Then those buyers came up here strong. See the volume here is higher than the sellers. And I'm like, oh, okay, that's not good for my short. But I waited instead of cutting. I waited, and then when it stopped popping, I start adding like crazy. Like right here, I had like I think 30 contracts, and then when went here, I ended up adding full size like 40 contracts, right? And when you pull back here, I was like, okay, I was down $500. Then went back up, I was down 1,200. Then went here, 1,800. Then start going up here, I was down 2,700. So I cut my loss on 1,700. Then when it popped here, I was like, okay, maybe now it's gonna fail on the 200 moving average, and did not fail clearly. To popped, and my account locked because I have the 3,000 daily loss limit from uh, from Topstep. So yeah, see here there was one flag, broke the flag, pop straight. Now it's building maybe like another flag. So for the bulls to continue, they need to continue here. They cannot go lower here. If they go lower here, we might test like a view up or something. It's like bulls are still in control. They're trying to push here. So yeah, bulls need to push back up. What usually happens stays in like a big range. I mean, all day I had a headache. All day with a headache. Yeah, bulls are pushing. Now they're gonna test probably those highs, but I don't know. Usually around those times we stay like in a range. So, for now, strong. The bulls are pushing, you know. So we are up 245 points. Is that what it is? What is it? Yeah, 239 points were up. Let's see my trades here. Yeah, see, that shows a lot of small trades. That's because I was adding like crazy. So uh, they don't show like the completely thing, you know. They only show by parts. So yeah, we are trending. We are trending higher. God, this phone is so loud. Yeah, I went too soon. I actually went in on the first 2 minutes with FOMO, you know. Are we gonna push? See, we might push. Yeah, I post on Twitter. I've been posting like all my profits. So I have been posting every day, you know, my profits. So every day I'm putting my profits here. So like say like today, profit, don't take a profit. 8 hours ago, yesterday, That was my profit, 900 per account. So I posted, take a profit again. I posted that one I was doing live. The other one that was this fourth green day. So then here was my fifth green day. And here that was the fuck it up day. So gotta post, to be transparent and to put what happened, too much size. Too much size could not accept the laws, It's like it's just like a remind. Market loves to do that. Market loves to give you like a reminder. Market's like, oh yeah, you are here 5 green days. Boom. So and again, the biggest problem I came with bias. I came like, oh yeah, there was a bad news. The Feds might raise rates, and so I'm like, we might go down, but that's bad, Like one thing that I always do, I trade the price. So those last 5 days, I've been trading the price, whatever's happening. I don't care if if the economy is not good or if the economy is good. It's not my problem, It's about what the price is doing. So bulls are pushing, you go long. You know, people are selling, you go short. Your opinion doesn't matter, What matters is price. Price is the thing that matters. What you believe does not matter. Like if you believe the market is gonna go high or lower, does not matter, man. Or if you believe, oh, the market is too high, whatever, doesn't matter. What's happening? The big question is that what's happening right now? That's what you gotta ask yourself. And that was something that I did not ask myself here. So I'm just like repeating that so you guys learn from my mistake. So and that's what I usually do every day. I go here, I'm like, what's happening now? Then you gotta cut it, but I do not cut it. So now we stay on this little range. Let's see if we're gonna hold on. I think we might pull back to view app. So might pull back here. But for now, that's support here, that's resistance here. Yes, you gotta hold here. We gotta hold right here. So we gotta hold here. This support. Put on live stream mode now. So I can remove the number out of my face. So we got 6 likes so far. Actually, I'm doing pretty good today. Thank you guys. So see if we can get 15. Yeah, I think we can do it. Have 6 already. That's pretty good. It's a big progress. So now we are holding support, showing like a little uptrend. We are holding support right here. Yeah, like now you see the volume is going lower now. See those big volume here spike? Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at this one here. So it's nice strong sellers, yeah. See, we are holding for now. Yeah, we are holding good. It's holding up pretty well. Yeah, guys, your brain is the real market. So the short is not like your enemy. Your brain it is, you know. So when you take a loss, it's kind of hurt, right? But so you want to make money back. You want to get your money back, right? So then what do? You size it up, right? So I was in a losing position here, small one actually. Then I'm like, oh no, I cannot lose. I ended up adding like crazy because my brain was playing games, with me. So here was not trading anymore, Here was not, I was not trading probability. No, there was no probability here anymore when I started adding like a big position, So that's kind of like revenge. So I was trying to fight the market, So and if it work, like I added a lot of it, if it work, I'll feel like smart. Cause then I was like, okay, if it goes back here, at least I cut it, even for like a break even. But it's just emotions on top of yourself, fear, greed, ego. So all those emotions, So there was no plan. Should have a plan. You short with a stop. You long with a stop. That's simple. Did not follow my plan. And you pay the price. And I pay the price. See here? Let me show you guys again. I was up 5 days, One, two, three, four, five. Beautiful, And here I'm actually in San Francisco. I'm barely trading. I'm barely trading. Last night, the night slept well. Slept only 5 hours. Should not have traded here with a headache all day and could not think clearly. Ended up adding like a crazy guy. And the market comes to eat you. It looks like we're gonna keep going. And now we're going. We keep going up. So the funny thing is that like my indicator got it wrong the first time. Like I have this stupid indicator here that I follow sometimes. Like you see here, my indicator got it right here. That was the opening candle. Then my indicator got flipped here. So when that candle went up, I start shorting here, right? Shorting, 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 and then went down. When my indicator flipped bullish, what should I have done? I should cut it, man. Here that would be like a $500 cut. And what I should have done, should go long here. If I went long here, look at that. Went long here. Boom, 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 boom. So you gotta flip. You gotta change your opinion. All the time. You gotta keep changing your opinion when you trade. You cannot come here and like, hey, yeah, that's what's gonna do, and that's it. You gotta keep flipping because market goes from like you gotta flip from bearish to bullish a lot. Position size is the key. Small loss or lose it all. And I took a big one. Still alive, still in the game. Still have 1500 to go. So now I gotta come back with small wins and using my stop back. So, and like the problem also in my head was like I could not lose it because I had a payout, like I had a 1800 per account. So that would be like 9,000, I think, in total. Yeah, that would be almost 9,000 that I could get it. So, but then I was like, well, let me build a bigger buffer. And there comes the market to make you build your buffer. Market comes strong after you, man. Market don't care. And one thing that I always judge myself is that did I follow my plan? Did I follow my idea? No. You can get lucky. You can get lucky once in a while. The problem is that when you don't get lucky, you get a big loss. So yeah, it's held support here. Market is strong. Tried here, held support, big pop, held support, big pop again. So market is strong. Wow, take a profit where approved my request. That's crazy. That was fast. Let's log back in there then. Take a profit, transfer my money to my wallet. That was very fast. Look at that. I got an email now. That was fast, man. I'm gonna transfer that 1,000. Oh shit, I need that number. Let me change the screen here for save it reasons. Okay. Take a profit. Yeah, that was quick. See, they approved quick. So now the other one might be approved in the morning. So you'll be notified by email once the admin review your payout request. Take 12 hours. So yeah, that's quick, man. That was quick. So yeah, and by tomorrow morning, probably the money is right on my account. Yeah, take a profit is fast. I mean, that's nice, right? That's what we trade for, right? We trade to get paid. And sometimes I want to build like a huge buffer, like $20,000 buffer and not worry about it. But in the end, you gotta just take those small loss. You cannot let yourself take those big losses like here. See, like 4 days, man. Like one, two, three, four. 4 days. 4 days in one day. That's crazy. Almost 5 days actually in one day. That's crazy. You cannot let that happen. Look at that. It looks like a Trump tweet. Look like Trump tweet here, So that's not how you should trade. So please learn that from me. Learn from my mistakes. VAX 348. Just bought a 50K founded. First time trading. How long should it take to pass? Well, brother, as long as it take, like depends. You go slow. If you go slow, yeah, it can take longer. So if you go slow, that 2 weeks, if you make like 500 a day, 500 a day is doable, like and you don't expose yourself too much. So yeah, like I 500 a day, like I would lock my account. Yeah, with 500 a day, man, you can pass easily in 2 weeks, but just gotta be disciplined, that's the hardest part. You gotta accept your loss, so if you are down $500, you cut it. So and the math will be in your favor. That's the thing. It's all math game. What prop firm did you buy that? Topstep. Yeah, Topstep is good. The good thing about Topstep is that you can set here your risk and you can lock your account. So you can go here and you can put like 500 a day to like 500. And if that goes there, it's gonna block your account. Just one thing I don't like about Topstep is that if you go on mini, sometimes there are certain candles like if the market is very volatile, like in the morning, you get some crazy candles and you get kind of like stopped out quick. So go on micro, go on micro. So MNQ. So go on micro. It's like much better. Like if you got a good long here, got a good long here, that you would make you $500. That look like now we might finally get a pullback. Still holding here for now. So let's see if we're gonna hold now. Yeah, let's see if we're gonna hold this range. So now we can go back all the way to view app. Can we hold the range? Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, looks like might sell a little now. Yeah. My indicator flipped to sell. See, my indicator is flipping to sell. So if I shorted here, I would have my stop on top of that candle here. But then my profit target to be here on view app. See if the 9 EMA flips as well. So yeah, let's see if we go back all the way here to 40, 45, then we sell. See if we can hold that. Can we hold this little resistance? Maybe. Let's see. Go back to 40. So if we go back to 40, 45, the stop gotta be on top of those candles here. Yeah, one thing you gotta do always know where to place the stop. Like early, I traded here, I did not place my stop, and it went against me. See, if I had my stop here, that's it. I'll take my loss and would even flip long, Like he's the same. If you go short here, you gotta have your stop, maybe 20 points. Okay, so now it looks like we got 6 likes. So yeah, we got 6 likes. Come on, guys, let's see if we can get at least like a couple more. If you can break my record, 15 likes. I never had more than 10, I think. So if we get more than 10, it's still pretty good. Yeah, now, see, it's testing the 40s. Now, that's the test, like you short here, you gotta have your stop around here on 50s. Because that moving average usually is the one that holds. If the moving average doesn't hold, so gotta hold here. Tonight breaks. So if you're short now, make sure you have your stop. Yeah, that's it. You see, exactly what I said. It's touched down the moving average and failed. Yeah, here it's a beautiful short. Exactly how I called out. Oh, it's holding, yeah. But then you gotta have your stop right here on 50s. Your stop gotta be on 50s because it's still strong, it's still holding. Longs are not letting that go easily. So see if it's gonna reclaim the EMA now. It's trying to reclaim. One pop here to reclaim. Yeah, it's trying to reclaim. Yeah, it's holding pretty well. If you shorted, my guy stopped around 50s. 50's gotta be a stop. Because it looks like we might get a continuation to the upside. Yeah, we're getting a continuation there. It's gonna push now. Yep. Buyers are strong, man. Buyers are not playing around. Buyers are very strong. Yeah, we're pushing back. So, no love for the shorts. If you shorted, you should be getting stopped. Now, when I see my indicator as a big fake, twice. See, when the indicator fails twice, that means that the market is bullish. Of course, it's uptrend. You see, here it's a clearly uptrend. So, there's no reason to be a hero yet. Now, yeah, I might get some volatility. We're getting some volatility. Sellers come back. Cool. Whoa, is that, man? Look at that. Oh, whoa, is that? Now my indicator flipped to the sell for sure. That was a big seller. Now you sell here. You gotta have your stop here. That was a big seller right there. That was a big seller. Now let's see if this moving average holds. See 90 moving average. See how the 90 was riding up. Let's see if now it's riding down. Gotta wait and see. Yeah, it was a nice 52 to 25. What's the size of this candle? 25 points. 25 points in one candle, yeah. Okay, yeah, it's a big range here. Look at this range, 34 points. Just pretty much support and resistance now. Yeah, holding here on support, we're selling on resistance. That's what's happening. Yeah, support, resistance, support, resistance. It's like trading 101, right? So let me break down support and resistance. Nice and simple. So if you are new, this is the first thing you need to understand, right? Again, support and resistance. That's the first thing you need to understand. So picture like a ball bounce in a room, right? It falls, hits the floor, right? It bounce back up, it rise, hits the ceiling, and get pushed back down. Price do the same thing, you know. The floor is the support, the ceiling is the resistance. That's the whole idea. Support is a price where buyers, you know, that's the price that where buyers tend to step in and price drop down to those levels and buyers say, oh, that's the price I like. I want to get in. That's cheap. The buyers, the price bounce back up. That's the floor holding. That's the floor holding right here, like back down. Sorry, that's the floor holding, right? The resistance is the opposite, right? It's like where sellers tend to show up. Sellers like, oh, I think heat went up enough. I want to sell it. Of course, it's not only regular sellers. We also have short sellers as well there. So they're like, oh, it's high enough or whatever bought it here. I want to take my profit here, something like that. So then that accumulates into a resistance, right? So the cool part is that those levels they usually show up, you know, and you can see clearly where they are, right? So looks like how it's very simple to use. Like you look for price to react at those levels. So a bounce off the support or a rejection on the resistance. So you don't have to guess, you know. So you wait for those levels to prove. So and they break. Sometimes they break and they form a new support and new resistance, you know. So hope that was easy to understand. Yes, it fail again. Why did that fail? Exactly on resistance. So fail right down the resistance because we're in the range. Yeah, we're in big range. Oh, thank you guys. We have 8 likes now, so let's see. 7 more to go. We got 60% of our goal. It's very nice. Thank you. See if we can get 2 more, maybe to get 10 likes. That would be very nice. Hope you understood here like what support and resistance they are. And there is another level that I have here. It's called view up. So view up is pretty much like what is view up, right? View up is the volume weighted average price. So that meaning that if if price it's above view up, buyers are in control. And clearly you can see here the buyers are in control, right? If that's below, that means the sellers are in control. Like if you looked at early here, see here, sellers are in control. So there's just like something to give people like a understanding, like where who are in control, right? Of course, that's all depends of a time frame that you are using, right? So it's kind of like a fair price line. So so sounds fancy, but it's not, you know. So it's like the average price of everything traded today, right? So it kind of gives like a weight to the price where the most volume happen. So it's like not like the middle of the range, right? It's like a to a price that most real money actually change hands, you know. So it's on top. So the buyers are in control. So usually like big institutions and they are controlling algorithm, mostly the algos, you know. So there we go. See, buyers are in control, man. Buyers are pushing. There's no way one more big push coming here. See, there's no way it's gonna break this resistance, man. So, so to keep it simple, view up is like the fair price. So above it, it's like a long, pretty much. Below, it's usually short. So we're popping. Let's see if we can hold that. That was not like a strong break yet. Let's see. There we go. It's pushing. It's pushing a little more. We pushing. Not yet. Candle have not closed yet, so we're trying to push. Not a strong push yet, so I'm reading here that looks like Topstep is working to make a daily payout. So now they might even come up with like multiple live accounts. That would be interesting because Take a Profit have that, so Take a Profit have like multiple live accounts, so that's nice. And we keep hearing, we keep going up. If you guys have not followed me on X, if you use X, right, go over there and trading with Diego. I'm there on X. Let me post that on chat, you know, so you guys can see that. Yeah, I've been sharing my daily trades. You can see in the morning I trade five take a profit accounts. That was good, positive. Yesterday was good too, positive. And today was a huge mess. Here, see, that was my today. So trying to be transparent and put in the good and the bad, you know. Cannot just be posting the good. On my take a profit, actually, I've been good. Like 9 days, I think 9 days, I've been trading pretty well. So yeah, there was some days I had some big days, and yeah, See, the other day I had 2,000 on my pro account, and today I messed it up on my top step. You know what happens that I went too big here. I was shorting here that clearly a support, right? And my brain froze. I couldn't get out. Had to have like a hard stop because clearly the mental stop did not work. So now I'm gonna get back and start trading again with a hard stop because I've been trading with a mental stop and that was working pretty well. But when it doesn't work, man, you get in big trouble. So so you gotta trade with a hard stop, man. That stop saves you, you know. Like here was negative 500. Right here was negative 1,000, right? Then I kept, and then what I ended up doing, I added more here. Right? I added more full size here, expecting a little pullback here, so I could get out for break even. That's very stupid. You don't do that. That's a no-no. Could take the $1,000 loss here, you know. Ended up waiting, took 2,700 loss here. Later I went again, took 300,000. So look what happened. Like a loss of 3,000. That was a bad loss. Bad loss, 3,000. That's a no-no. Negative 1,000 this week. Positive 1,700 last week. But still, and Friday it's usually like a slow day. So tomorrow is tomorrow. So yeah, Friday I'll be trading in the morning then. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because this account is blocked. Yeah, I'm lost with days. No, actually Thursday evening I'll be trading. So Thursday evening I'll be trading. Did not even sleep well, and my brain's not working. But now fly. And I saw it here. I'm like, man, we are in like uptrend. That's not a short. Like on my second actually on my second trade, that was like a revenge trade right here. I saw clearly that was not a short. I'm like, I'm actually going against the trend, and it did not work, of course. So that's 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 very just like so I felt that's fair. Yeah. And yeah, we popping, man. It's crazy. Market's very strong. So what are we now? We are up like almost 300 points, man. We are up almost 300 points. Crazy. So hey, Will, thanks for the follow, man. Follow you back. If you guys don't know, follow Will as well, you know. Will trade. So if he's starting like a Spanish channel, so follow him. Um, it's a lot of noise here at the hotel. So yeah, we keep going, man. Look at that. So we're going non-stop. We are going non-stop. Yeah, market is strong, guys. We are flying, man. We are flying. We are strong. Yeah, we are riding the nine. Look at that. We are riding beautifully the nine. That's why sometimes it's better to not go too early, you know. Like for example here, I went crazy very early. When you go crazy very early, man, you miss a lot of opportunities later. So it's better to be patient, you know. Better to be patient and wait, because it gets easier for you to trade. Like when you go too soon, like imagining this whole chart is not here. Imagine just that, right? That was me trading, right? That was me trading like that, exactly like that. It's not much going on. Like when you see that, you already have something. You already have something to base yourself on, right? Like you go here and you're like, hey, yes, what's happening in the first 5 minutes? Yes, what happened in the first 15 minutes, right? At the opening. You see, that's uptrend. So what you do in an uptrend? You buy. Trader does not need to be complicated. We are the ones that complicated things. Yeah, well, I hope you feel better, brother. I just sign up for the Pro Trader Founding, like the next gen, right? Just next gen, actually, that's the name. So I just signed up for next gen. So just actually finished the sign up right now. So let's see how they are, you know. Yeah, man, kidney stone is oh boy. Praying for you, brother. Hope you feel better, you know. Yeah, I just signed up for next gen, so I'm gonna give them a try. I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works. Yeah, it's so loud here at the lobby, the hotel. There's a big conference happening, like AI and data conference, so everybody's here in San Francisco. Yeah, market is strong. We are up almost 300 points, so yeah, we got 10 likes. Thank you guys. So five more to go. We hit our goal. I'm happy though. Appreciate you guys. So really appreciate it. So it's new. I'm new on YouTube, so that helps a lot. So the algorithm likes that stuff, So keep recommending. So yeah, see, it's just riding the moving average, man. Just riding the moving average. Here there was just like a consolidation here. Later start riding the moving average again. Roll the moving average here, riding the moving average. So moving average, like how I can explain moving average. So let me see how I can explain it in like a simple, easy way. So moving average just takes the average price over a set number of bars, right? Like in plot like a line. So it's like a imagine like a 15 period moving average. It's like the last 15 closing days. So each new bar prints, it updates to long price. So that's why we call like moving, because it keeps moving, right? So what's the point of what's the point of that? Because price is a lot of noise up and down, so it's like crazy, like a lot of noise that can fool you. So the moving average kind of helps you like understand like through like a clean line. So based on like a statistics. So they are the simple moving average, they are the exponential moving average. So there are multiple different types of moving average. So, but one thing I tell you, every indicator is lagging. One indicator that usually does not lag much are support and resistance. But in support and resistance is not an indicator anyway, it's like just price. But moving average lags, RSI lags, everything kind of have a lagging. That's why it gets wrong sometimes. So because they are building like a past price. So I just like the moving average because it's kind of shows the trend, where the trend is going. Let's see, like a 3 minutes. See the 3 minutes? The 3 minutes right better. Let's see the 5 minutes. See the 5 minutes riding. See it's riding. It's trying to break down and keep riding higher. So what does that mean? It means that we're in an uptrend. So Yeah, looks. Let's see what the market likes to do. Stay in little range, right? Like now, he might start like a new range, maybe. Let's see here. Not that one. See that one here. Nah, again, I'm getting the wrong price. It's price range. That's the one I want. Let's see here. 20 points. Let's see if it stays, right? Let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm right. So far, we are building like a little support here, and then we have a little resistance. So we might stay in this range till we break. See, we had a big range here, then we broke out. See if we stay in another range, we keep breaking up. So one of the most difficult things to trade is a range because sometimes they go fast. They go very fast. Sometimes, right? Like for example, you can go long here, sell here, go long here, sell here. Looking high sign is very easy, right? But when you're doing that live trading, that gets hard. Like for example, if you're shorting here, your stop hedge will be here, and you gotta respect your stop, man. What happens like happened to me earlier. I got demolished because I did not respect my stop, you know. So always respect your stop, man. All right, guys, five more likes to go. You can get 15 likes. Let's see. It's so interesting that now I'm on San Francisco and the time is very different. Like, of course, it's like 2 hours. Chicago, I'm usually in Chicago, and Chicago is 2 hours ahead. So now he's like 4:36. It's easier for me to do live stream because 4:36, I'm not too tired, right? It's not dark. It's like sunny outside. But in Chicago, like it's 6:36, man. Like I wake up very early. I wake up like 6:30, and by 6:30 a.m. by 6:30 p.m. Like I'm already like tired. So let's get back here. You see, it's trying to break. It's trying to break down. Let's see if we break down. I bet my indicator is probably like flipping short. Not yet. Yeah. My indicator is trying to flip short, but my indicator was wrong twice today. So actually, not twice, three times. My indicator was wrong three times. So maybe now it's gonna get it right finally. So let me show you guys here. See, my indicator was wrong once. I was right here, right on the bull side. Wrong on the sell side. He was actually wrong too because there was a big dump again, right here. So now it's trying to flip short. Might go back to view up. That's what kind of looks like now, but we'll see. Looks like we might test view up now. Yeah, it's failing. So yeah, looks like we're failing there. So let's see. Look like we might stay. Look like we might go back to view up. Let's see. Uh, yeah, for now looks like we might keep going. Like you see, like we're gonna pass again here the 9. So see, that's the test of the moving average, and we might keep going lower. That's at least what I see. That's what I see for now. Yeah, I feel. Yeah, that's what I see. I told you guys. See, like failing right here. Yeah. Yeah, guys, don't go too early. That's the problem all the time. When people get in too early. See, I got in too early here and did not change my position. So that's a lesson. Yeah, it's going slowly. It's going down very slowly. Now we're gonna test this previous resistance here. Of course, if we fail again here, the 9. See if we keep failing here. If we keep failing, we're gonna test this resistance next. Let's see. See how low can we go? Or we can reclaim. We can reclaim here too and keep going higher. That's also possible. For now, I see a little downtrend. Yeah. See if that confirms. This candle gotta break lower than that. That will be the next support right here. If that does not hold, that will be right here on view app. So it's slowly we're gonna get there. Wow, 11 likes, man. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. We got only four more to go, man. Four more to go to get 15 and break the record. That would be like a record of likes in live stream. Let me actually double check that. Uh, is that the record? I had one in a holiday that I traded. I got a lot of people. Oh, now the record is 26. Hey, but 15, I'm happy with 15, you know. Yeah, the record was 26. There was a holiday that I traded and ended up getting a lot of people online that day. So if you reach the goal of 15, that's still awesome, you know. Thank you guys. Yeah, we are going down here for now, very slowly, very slowly. So see, again, the nine I gotta hold. The nine I gotta keep holding. Let's see. If you reclaim all the way here, bulls take over again. And that's the lower time frame, right? Let's see the, yeah, 5 minutes lower time frame. So I just got in here. I'm gonna show you again. I messed it up today. So today I had a rough day. Yeah, I've been having like great days. One, two, three, four, five. Trading small and consistent. Like today I decided to go high up. I came to the market with a bias. I came to the market with the opinion. You never come to the market with the opinion, man. Come to the market with a clean head. Come to the market to read price. Not like, oh, because there was a bad news or because of this. No. Come to the market with a clean head. What's happening? See? Here, support. That's actually very, very easy to see. Right here, there is a support, right? What you gotta do? You gotta wait for the support to break and confirm, right? The support broke, but did not confirm. And I went in with one, two, three, four, five. The support did not break. It popped. I ended up adding 20, 30, 30 right here. Right here I had 30. So I was negative 500 right here. Should have took my stop loss, right? I did not take my stop. Went back here. I was negative 800. Ended up adding 10 more contracts. I was negative 1100, 1200, and then keep going like that. And then I start hoping. And that's one thing you don't do in trading is you don't hope, man. You gotta have a plan, you know, because market's gonna destroy you if you don't have a plan. So stayed here for a while. I had a hope that would go here. That was my average around here, and I would take whatever was here just to break even because I could not accept the loss. My brain kind of froze. And when I saw going up here, that's when I woke up. I'm like, oh man, I'm down too much, 2,700. So I decided to cut 2,700. I cut my loss, right? And I waited a little. I was still my brain was still not there. After you take a big loss like that, your brain doesn't accept. You gotta take a walk, you gotta drink water, you gotta do something. So when I went here, I start creating things in my head. I'm like, okay, it's gonna fail that 200 MA. So I ended up one contract, two contracts, 10 contracts. Pop here, poof, $300 negative, daily limit loss, tax actually saves you, poof, $3,000, And I trade five accounts, you multiply by that. So I already had 1,800 per account to take. I had 1,800. Could have took that $9,000, but ended up not doing. So took my loss, big loss, and ended up losing like a lot of good opportunities, So there are so many good opportunities here that I should have taken on the long side. So it's a lesson, guys, a lesson. So please learn from my mistake. Do not make the same mistake. So you gotta have a plan. You gotta have a stop, man. My initial stop should have been here, $500 more. Then you see what's gonna happen. You wait. So yeah, right now, hmm, looks like we're trying to go a little higher here. Yeah, we are not going like all the way down right away. So So it looks like it's not the days for the short yet. Yeah, the buyers are back, man. Buyers are back. I bet my indicator flipped again. Not yet, you see? My indicator is getting wrong again. See, my indicator is getting wrong again all day on this lower time frame. So on the longer time frame, right here, it's got it right and not flipping. So yeah, on the 5 minutes, boof, bullish all the way. So that's what's happening. No love for the shorts. My indicator is still bearish, but I don't trust it yet. So I do not trust it yet. So okay, now what's happening again? Uh, well, that's a kind of big range for now. So price range from here to here, 28 points. Yeah, 28 points. Bias held up here. I thought we were going to go all the way to 58, but let's see. Let's see now. Looks like we're not going all the way to 58. I thought we were going to all the way to 58 and maybe bounce. But looks like we bounced before. Some buyers step up here. So buyers step up here. Let's see if my buyers coming back here. Sellers are here. Sellers are around here, around 330. Yeah, in trading, there is one thing that matters in trading: size. Your size matters. Your size matters because the bigger your size, the less you think. So you won't be thinking clearly, if you have like a big size. So you cannot think straight when your size is too big. Smaller size keeps your head clear. When you now over leverage, you can actually think. You hold your winners, you take your stop loss without panic. You trade the plane instead of trading the fear. Because here I was like fearing, I had the fear of losing $500. Here I had the fear of losing $1,000. Here I'm like, oh no, I had 1,800 that I could take it. I cannot lose that. Another $1,000. So, and then I lose 27. Then here, trying to get it back. Yeah, trading is something that plays with your mind. Yeah, look at buyers, man. Buyers are strong. It's definitely not the short. Buyers are strong. Let's see if those sellers step back up here. Okay. Sometimes, most of the time when I trade, I actually do not even use support and resistance line for the fact that I look. Like I look and I already see, oh, there is a support here. Oh, there is a resistance here. So I just look and I kind of can see it, you know? So, and if you look even on the longer time frame, you're probably gonna find that somewhere else. Like see, like for example, there we go. See, now we are hitting here, right? See where we're getting stopped right here. Why? Because previously there was a support. Now the support becomes a resistance. See right here, same thing. There was a support. And you can look back and you're gonna find it. See right here. So you keep looking, you keep finding those support and resistance from the past. So yep. See what we got. How many likes we got? 11 likes. We need four more likes, guys. Four more likes to hit the 15. Let's do it. Four more likes to hit the 15. So, yeah, we are above the moving average. So, let me take this here. We are holding up. Yeah, we are holding very well this little range here. I think we are opening the Asian market, I think, in like 4 minutes. Yeah, it is. Yeah. We're gonna open the Asian market, so that's when the big move is gonna come, guys. So get ready for the show. Mm. Guys, I have something exciting to tell you. Will suggest me to sign up for next gen so I can maybe get some free accounts for you guys, you know. So I'm trying to get some free accounts that I can do as a giveaway, you know. So let's see if I can get some. So yeah, I can give you guys some like the guy just said that I can get like some 50,000 eval to give it away. So that's exciting. So I will do some just trying to see here like how I can do it, you know. I don't know, there might be like a software or something that I can do this giveaway, so that's nice. Yeah, there is this software here that I can put the name of people and give it away. Yeah, let me book them. Let me do the bookmark here because I'm gonna after he give me the account, I can do a giveaway. Oh, and we going, man. You going up? Oh wow, look at that. We're breaking out. I told you, it's like 5. That's when the Asian market open. That's when we pop. And we popping. Oh, we popping. Look at that. Wow, look at that. It's a nice pop, man. Wow, we're flying, guys. Look at that. That was like a 60 points pop. Whoever was long, that's awesome. Congratulations. Wow, we're flying non-stop. That was a beautiful. Whoever took a long here, that's beautiful, man. Those are the ones that we like. That goes fast in your favor, you know. Those are the longs that I like. Those are the longs that I like, man. Go on your favor right away. So I'm trying to get the code here for the giveaway. So let's see. Wait a couple minutes here. Well, let's see if we can hit 15 likes, right? Let's see how many likes we have now. I think I'll do the giveaway after I hit 15 likes. So I should have 11. So yeah, that's it. After I get 15 likes, we're gonna do the giveaway, the free Hey Jane account. So I'm gonna grab the names for whoever is online, then stay online so I can send you an email with the code, you know. So we got like 4 more likes to go. So yeah, you along, yes. So yeah, yeah, they are moving together. See, that's the same algos, you know, controlling everything. It's beautiful. Nice long, man. Nice job, bro. Yeah, guys, type your name on chat and we can do the giveaway, you know. Type your name in chat and then I'm gonna put here all your names and like for example, Will Trader. 2025. Then whoever wanna join, like type your name on chat so we can do the giveaway. She waiting for the code, so we are popping. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice pop right there. Let's see what's next. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see the levels. Oh boy, look at that. The 5 minutes. We have the 200 moving average here. We have some previous support here. So you see previously there are some sellers here. And look like we are going up non-stop. Yeah, we got some sellers here, but looks like we wanna go all the way here. Wow. All right, guys, I'm gonna give a free account tonight. Let's see. After we hit 15 likes, we are close. We're almost there. We're almost there. We are almost there, guys. So look at that, man. That's a beautiful pop, non-stop, very strong. Very strong bias coming. That's crazy. Very strong, man. Looks like the sell today was like overreaction. Yeah. So we are right back to the opening. What was the opening today? That was here? No, that's 12, 13. Opening 8, 8:30. Yeah, we should have 650 points to go, but wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pop. Congratulations for the longs. Hey, type free on chat to participate on a free giveaway. So if you want to participate, just type that. So, yep, guys, if you want to get the account, drop a free in chat for your shot for a free next gen account. So, I already got the code. Just type that right there, and we do here like to find the winner. So, I'm gonna shuffle and spin the wheel. Type your name there. So, if you want to participate and get like a 50K free account. So, I was gonna wait. I was planning to wait till we get like till we get at least 15 likes, but I think I'm gonna do it right now. You guys been very nice. So if you are online, just drop free. Just type free. You're gonna get a free account. So come on, let's do it. Let's do it. You guys ready to get the account? Looks like nobody wants a free account. Just type free in chat and get a free account. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's get the free account. There you go, Nate. Nate's gonna participate. Let me put your name here. Will, I already have your name here, but if you also could please type free to get the account. Free account. Oh, no problem, Nate. Thanks for being here, man. But hey, a free account is a free account, you know. I wish I could participate to get a free account. Type free to participate and let's rock and roll. Let's get a free account. So yeah, it's interesting. Next gen, I haven't traded with them yet, but I'm gonna get an account later myself. So to give it a try, you know. So yeah, so market is strong, man. Market's been strong all day, pushing. Look at that. That was a big push. Look at that, man. Wonder if we're gonna test 507 today. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's get the free account. Hello, Ariella. I'm doing a giveaway now. Just type free on chat. Wow, market is flying, man. No love for the shorts. We're going, man. We're going higher non-stop here. We're going up non-stop. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy how we keep going. Or how many points are we high? We are high 420 points, guys. That's something. Tell you that that's something. 420 points, you know. That's no joke. That's no joke right there. 420 points. Hey, Ariel, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for inviting your friend, Will. So we already have Will here. Just waiting for Ariel. Type free on chat, Ariel, then I'm gonna put your name. And maybe like in 10 minutes, I think 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes is good. 10 more minutes, we can do the free giveaway to get a free account. Then I can send whoever wins, I can send the code for your email, or I can send you like a Vax is also participating. So whoever wins, I can send a message on Discord, direct message, or I can send you an email. So I will. You are here. We got three people now. Let's go. No, wait a couple more minutes. Oh, my thing dropped. Maybe there was a problem with my stream or something because it looks like my view just completely dropped. That's weird. Yeah, I'm still online. Yeah, YouTube, I'm telling you, YouTube sometimes is very weird. Looks like everything dropped here, but guys, the guys is still here, so yeah, I've been on for a while. I have been on for like 2 hours and 30 minutes, so I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes here, then I can do the giveaway. Now we are here, another flag. Wow, look at that. Big range, and boom, fly. Look, everybody dropped. My views dropped here on the analytics. Yeah, now I have two again. It's weird, guys. YouTube is very weird sometimes. Oh, I mean, it's up to you, Rex. I cannot tell you, but look, whatever you do, you gotta have a plan. In the end of the day, trading is it's your own decision, right? I cannot be responsible for trading, but what I would do, I can tell you what I would do. If I went long here, I would have my stop, right? Around here. If I shorted here, I would have my stop around here. So whatever you do here, do like a 20 point stop. Yeah, I'll ask him. I'll ask him to see if I can give you the account. I'll do the give it away in like couple minutes. Then whoever wins. What is your friend? He did not type free. Where is Ariel? Ariel, type free over there so I can put your name here, you know. Yeah, let me put your name there. Okay. All right. Are you guys ready? Four people. So the odds are good. Let's shuffle, 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 shuffle. Okay, let's go. Let's see who's gonna win. Oh, Vax, you won, man. You won. So Vax, are you on Discord? I can send you the code there. Congrats. So you wanted me to send you the code on Discord or you wanted me to send it on your email? Let me know. Not sure if you're on Discord or not. If you're not on Discord, send me a message there if you want. Okay, so what's your name here on Discord? Oh, okay, you're Vax. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna send you a message. Okay, let me send you a DM. Congratulations. So here's your code. You should get a 50K account. So you just type that code. No problem. Send the message there. So use that code and you are good to go. I send you the message there. Uh, yeah, use the code I send you and it should be good. Congrats again. Congratulations. I should be good now. You should be good. Yeah, looks like we're finally getting a little pullback here. Yep, my indicator flipped bearish. So you see my indicator flipped bearish. So if you short here, just put your stop loss on 9.5, you know. So what I see happening now, I see going here, and maybe going a little lower. So that's kind of what I see. So if I was going to short, I was trying to short here with a stop right here. So that's what I would do. I would wait. Might not go all the way here, but that's kind of what I would try to do, you know. So yeah, you see it's trying to go up again. So that's what I see. I see trying here again, stay here for a little, and maybe go lower. But your stop gotta be here. Yeah, now we finally got a little pullback, huh? To view up. How many points was that? Let's see. Yeah, 70 points. That's good. That's very good. That was a very good pullback, you know. 70 points. Let's see the 5 minutes chart now. Yeah, 5 minutes is testing the 9 moving average. So it's still bullish, you know, it's still bullish if you think about it, like it's still bullish, right? But now we're getting the pullback. So now we got some resistance here. That's good. That's what we all want. So yeah, we're holding view up for now. So it's fine. I have had a nice pullback because look, since the opening, it's going higher, right? Now we finally pull back. And where are we going? Look where we're going. Boom, right here. That's where the buyers are at. So, so that's where we're going right here. With buyers here trying to step back. If you look on the longer time frame, that's where we are. So that's where we are here. We're holding. So we're holding the nine. We are holding the nine right there. Yeah. It's a nice pullback. Might keep going higher now. Yeah. Pullback right on top of you up. That's what we did. Right on top of you up, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful how those things work? So if you went long here, you would have a stop right here. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Market is very strong, man. It's insane. Very strong. So what CNBC says, why is the market strong? Let's see. Such buyers, stock futures rise as Fed hints possible rate hike in 2026. Oh man, how come is that bullish? If that is interest rate raise, that's not bullish at all. Market do what market wants to do. It's actually a clearly uptrend, clearly. But I came in early with buyers. I came in early thinking, oh yeah, it's gonna drop. Just stupidity, because you cannot come to the market with like opinion. You gotta trade price. Day traders trade price. Day traders do not trade opinion. That's all I wanna tell you. You gotta trade price. So no reason for me to short the support here early. Then I got screwed. So you gotta trade what the market's showing you. So let's see the 5 minutes you holding. Yeah, 5 minutes you holding beautiful here. Look at that. Holding beautiful. So let's see what would be like a long here. Long position. So you go long here. You gotta have a stop here, 20 points to make 40 to test the highs. So lose 20 to make 40. So, so yeah, it's crazy. We have a new Fed chairman, Kevin Wash. Kevin Wash, that's the new guy there. Those are the key takeaway. No rate chains, but the hawks are circling. Do not miss your soul. Regime change via task force. Tough on inflation. So that's what's happening. See 5 minutes chart. Yeah, 5 minutes is playing there with the nine moving average trying to hold here. So let's see how long can that thing hold. 12 likes. Yeah, we need what, 3 more likes? I'm gonna stay till we get those 3 more likes. Might take a while though. Hey, if you have not liked the stream, please hit the like. We just need 3 more likes to hit 15. Yeah, we holding here for now. Let's see if we can hold it here though. Let's see if we can hold the moving average now on 5 minute chart. Yeah, I think we're gonna formate another range here now. It's 25 points range. Yeah, 25 points range here. See the 5 minutes. 5 minutes still here. Trying to break it down maybe. Hmm. We're very strong, man. We're very strong. Yeah, we're strong. I think we're gonna be on this range for a little and then pop. I mean, there's no reason. I don't know. That's what it looks like. You see, like see those candles, how strong they look? So it's much bulls pushing, bulls pushing. Candle have not closed yet, so we don't know yet, right? But bulls are pushing those candles. See that right here too, the same thing. Bulls pushing. So let's see if we hold, right? Let's see if we can hold that. Can we break? Can we break here now? That's a big question. Oh, you have the account now, so you just gotta get the. Oh, I have not signed up yet, so I have not signed up yet with them. But I think you need your username and password and log in, no? Let me see what they use. Uh, Let me see what they use here. 1 second. I think they should use TradingView. That's what they all use, no? Let me see here. It's Will online. No, Will is not online anymore. They should have an option there for you to log into your account. Celebration, yeah. Yeah, you have it here. Let me send you the link. I never actually sign up. I'm gonna sign up for an account. They just gave me like just give it away, so to try. Yeah, you can try with trading view. Like I send you the link. The link have the instructions there. So on TradingView, you should be able to probably go on trade. Where is it? I haven't used TradingView in a while because he trade. Yeah. So you should be able to find them here maybe. Is that how you do, Will? You found them here? No, you don't have to pay because you got a free account. Yeah, just follow these instructions here. So you gotta follow all those instructions here. Like you already have the account. With that code, you should have like the account username and password, I'm assuming, using the code. And later you could go like you have to probably like to agree with all those things here. So then you connect to TradingView right here. Yeah, you see? Right here. They have the instructions here. Yeah, username, password. So you see click trade. Yeah, AMP. That's where we go. You click on AMP. So yeah, follow those instructions that I sent to you and you should be good. Yeah, if you follow those instructions, it will be good. No problem, huh? Yeah, market's very strong, man. Look at 5 minutes chart. 5 minutes is still strong. Look at that. We are holding. Bulls are not letting go. We got 12 likes, guys. Come on, three more. Come on, guys. Three more likes to hit that 15. Let's hit that goal. Bulls are pushing. Bulls are not playing. Now we are in a little range here. That's what we're doing. We are like in a range. This little range. Yeah, looks like now we got a little slow here. We got a little slow right here. See the 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes holding. Can we push to 500s? Huh. That's why we fail early. Fail around here, the 500s. Yeah. Now we are holding the support. So price range right here. So we have a 40 price hand. Yeah, we holding this range again. So have a big range there. We have a nice little range here. So you see here, we had a big range here earlier, another range here, one more range formation. Non-stop those range. People that are patient are getting paid. We're gonna break. Let's see the 5 minutes again. Yeah, bulls are trying to push. Might get tired at one point, I guess, but who knows? It's like a non-stop pushing, huh? Yeah, okay. So we're gonna fail here. No, we're gonna try again this support. How many times can we try the support and this resistance here? No? A big range, guys. We're in a big range. So when you trade the range, what you do? You buy support, you sell resistance. You have your stop as well, of course. Always have your stop. Always have your stop. No matter what, have your stop, man, because your stop loss can save you, you know. Earlier, I did not have my stop here, ended up getting smashed because my brain played tricks on me and I couldn't let it go. Took a big loss. So, gotta have a stop, you gotta have a plan. Yeah, big range, big range. Five minutes right there. Yeah, testing support again. Got 12 likes. We need three more. Three more likes to get to 15. That's our goal for the day. 15 likes. Three more to go. I'll be online till we get 15. So, three more to go. 12 now. That's it. I'll be here. So, now again we are testing the support. So we're testing the support. There we go. My indicator probably flipped to bearish. Well, my trading view disappeared from here. I don't know how, but disappeared. Oh, I think I probably closed. Yeah, buyers are still trying to hold here. See, my indicator flipped bearish again one more time. How many times can this thing be wrong? I was wrong here, that was wrong here, that was wrong here. Here, kind of could get a couple points. Maybe here as well. I don't know. But you see those buyers? They are holding. That's the support right here. Yeah, that's the support. It's still holding there. So, awesome, man. Congrats. Yeah, you see right on the support. You see where we held? Right there, man. Right on the support. Those buyers stepping up. Buyers are too strong, man. I need to go back next week and I'm going to work on nothing but observability, governance, commissioning. You're going to work on regulation, but also sticking to alignment, GDI tolerance. Yeah, buyers are here, man. You can clearly see those guys here. It's right here, see? They're stepping up. That's what they're stepping up. Right here. Stepped up once, stepped up twice. I got all of them. I think so, but I'm just saying, I can't keep getting. I don't know, I definitely control. Fortunately, I can't keep away from voting like 50% of the night, so we, there's a little shoulder. Yeah, so that comes back by. Yeah, so, so this guy was saying that it's, yeah, it's, you're huge. Yeah, he knows it. Oh, and then someone turned around. So, yeah, it's interesting this year. There's three, very people that very awesome. Okay, now the moving average is gonna try to hold. See that one? 9. Let's see if it can hold it down. Can that hold it down? I don't know. It's like it's very strong. This market's so strong, man. It's gotta pull back at one point, man. He's so strong. Yeah, it's holding. It's holding for now. So the moving average is holding. So might go all the way to view up. Yeah. Well, if you are bears, you want it to break here, the 350. To break the 350, you pull back all the way here to view up. So that's the break that you need. That's the break you're looking for. Oh, US and Iran officially signed a memorandum of understanding to end the war, effective immediately. So that was that pop. Huh. I missed that news, but that was the pop. So, yep, that's why we're popping. So take a profit. Due to June 19 holiday, the June quarter index futures expiration process has been moved forward by end day. As a result, there will be a trading halt at 8:30 tomorrow for expiring June 26. Huh. I need to watch that. I'll take a profit. How low can we go now? Can we go lower here? Can we break those low? Can we break the support? So support is holding. Support is holding. Can we break it down? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Still trying to hold here. So still holding very nice. Now it's 6 o'clock here, so Chicago time is 8 p.m. I've been online for 3 hours and 10 minutes. See how many likes we got. Let's see if we got 15 or not. Padam, 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 padam. We sure got 12. Think I will take the 12. Thank you guys. Hey, thanks everyone to watch. I'll be on tomorrow morning, I think. Yeah, I'll be on tomorrow morning for a little bit. And yeah, I'll be on tomorrow on the market when market opens and tomorrow evening as well. Um, when the future is open. So I'll be on again tomorrow evening. So see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Bye bye.